Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the Robuilder YouTube channel. Today I want to show you guys a cool little tip to help make buildings a bit more interesting. So I could see this being used in like a bowling alley or even a showcase if you wanted to do like a wet road or something. But check it out. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do like a reflection deal. Okay, now if you wanted this to be a road, cool. I think it would look cool in like an arcade, probably maybe a restaurant. We're gonna try a few different things. It's very, very simple to do. This is a plastic piece. You put the transparency on 0.6 and there you go. That's it. It's literally it. But there's a lot of ways to make this look cooler. So check this out. We grab this and then you need your model, of course. So let's see what we got over here that we might be able to use. Let's try this thing. This might be fun. So we got it right here, CV. All right. And I'm going to bring it right over here, put it on top of the plastic piece. Nice. And then I'm just going to do Control D, RRTT. That's going to flip it and rotate it. And then we have to make it lined up. Okay, I gotta bring this guy down a little bit. And check it out, guys. Like, now you have... I guess it doesn't really look that cool with this. Let me do this little tactic in a building or an arcade or something. So check it out. Basically, all you need is to put a piece of plastic that's a 0.6 transparency, and then the same model. You're going to duplicate it, rotate it twice, and then turn it twice. Oh, wait. I think you might just have to turn it. So all you got to do is grab a model and then duplicate it. So now we got two. And then you just want to flip it upside down. So just like this. And then make it lined up as well. I can't use the shortcut keys because it's already at an angle. But yeah, you get the point, guys. Check that out. Nice. Line it up underneath. And it looks really, really sick. Like a reflection. So I'm going to go ahead and just toolbox like a restaurant or an arcade. And show you guys how it works. If you add a texture on top, it looks a lot cooler as well. I think this would look super dope for a wet road. Alright, so I just dragged in this restaurant out of the toolbox. And it looks like, kind of a higher class place. So we're going to see what we can do with this. Right here, we have our parts. It is a mesh. I don't think that really matters. We're going to go ahead and make it plastic, which it already is. And then put this at 0.6. There we go. And then we're going to raise this whole building up. Oh, snap. I think there's a couple different floors here. Let's delete that one. There we go. Now we only have this floor that is at a 0.6, okay? We're going to duplicate this whole building. Control D. And then we're going to turn it. Boom, boom. So it's upside down. And check this out, guys. Line it back up. Perfect. It does work the best with symmetrical stuff. I do want to add that in. But check it out. Now you have a reflective floor, okay? And now, of course, you can make this a little more, a little less. 0.6 is just what I think looks the best. And we need to realign some stuff. Because as you can see, since it's not a perfectly symmetrical building, like these tables, for example, I would need to realign those. But for the most part, it's all good. I think it's just these round tables that I'm going to have to, like, kind of reset up. But I'm not too worried about that right now. And then, of course, you can add a texture. Since this is a high-class restaurant, let's go ahead and add... I don't know. This looks kind of high-class-ish. So let's add this texture to the top. There we go. And bring it right over here. Boom. Paste into... Alright, so textures, not really looking too good on the mesh. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete this part and make it like a genuine part in Studio. Boom. We'll delete this guy as well. Nice. Grab a part right here. Line it up. Alright, we got our plastic part. Let's go ahead and put the textures in. Paste into. Perfect. And now let's grab our part and make it a 0.6 or 0.7. We'll try Yeah, 0.6 was looking a lot better to me. There we go. And now you have this reflective material, guys. It looks super sick. Let's try a little bit darker of a part as well. Might help the illusion. Yeah, this looks pretty cool to me. And then, of course, the less transparent, the less reflective it would be. So if you just wanted it a little bit, like we changed this transparency to 0.1, and it's, like, visible, but not as visible. I want to try an arcade, because I think that would look super sick. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, arcade in the toolbox. I need a full building. I would build all this stuff, but, it's just like, it'd be a lot. Oh, snap. What is this guy? It's definitely not going to be, oh, gosh. This is lagging. Don't recommend toolboxing, guys. Okay, two-story building. Probably not going to work out the best. What do we got up here? We got the retro arcade. Oh, this one may work, and it's got a cool little texture on the ground. So, let's grab this guy. Let's move it up. Control D, turn it twice, drag it down. Now, this isn't exactly symmetrical, guys. Like, one side, you know, hey, it's whatever, but we're going for it. I'm going to delete one floor, and then I'm going to turn this floor to a 0.7 transparency. And as you can see, like, it already looks sick. Of course, it's not lined up to the T yet, but it looks absolutely incredible. Let's go ahead and line this up a little bit better. All right, so that's pretty good, guys. Like, check this out. You have the reflections of all the games. Now, of course, this game is on the other side because we flipped it, but hey, it's all good. That's why you need a symmetrical build. But check out these walls, guys. And then if you wanted to work on the effect, make it a little better or a little worse, you can always change transparency of texture. Like, we could go like this, or we could go all the way, you know, down quite a bit, something like this, so we keep that color but still get the reflectance. I think this looks absolutely sick, and I'm super excited to see what you guys do with this little technique. There will be a little thing in the resources tab of my Discord that'll have like the step-by-step. It's really not that hard though, guys. Make it a part, make it plastic. 0.7 transparency is what I like, but 0.6 anywhere under that also looks pretty good. Depends on how much reflectance you want. I want to see a wet road with this, guys. I want to see a wet road. I want to see whoever can make the best. Let's go. Post them in the creations in the Discord, guys. But that is going to wrap up today's video. If you did enjoy and you want to see more, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.